Southwest, 58th and Chester. I used to hang out down here in high school a lot. And we are taking down a 3-story Catalpa tree. Those are the trees that have the Johnny Smoker seed pods on them. So I guess technically it's a legume, which is a fancy word for plants that have seed pods, like string beans, bananas, stuff like that. Peanuts. But it's way down this alleyway. Way down this alleyway. See, Aaron is up in the tree doing his thing. We got files wires. We got power lines. A nice big thick trunk. So we'll clear all this out first, and then we'll work our way around there. We have to watch out for these wires. There's wires over there. There's wires here. There's wires there. And there's power lines up there. But we'll knock it out. We'll get it done.